Welcome to the video. My name is Rachel and today I want to show off my humidifier. It's so awesome because it changes colors. Ooh. Here it is. I love this thing. It was only like $23 on Amazon. If you push the light button, it'll stay on one color. And if you push that button and it beeps once, it's on high, and if it beeps twice, it's low, and then that's the mist. And you keep pushing that and it'll go for either an hour, blah blah, or just keep it on until it's done with. And these things are supposed to help keep moisture into the air. And if you have asthma, these things can help you if you have asthma, or they can also help you if you're snoring, so you snore a little bit less. And you can also put different oils in them. Here's a stress relief blend of different oils. This one has hematite crystals in it. Can you see the crystals? It's a very earthly, grounding type stone. And here's lavender. But just put, like, depending on how big these are, a big one like this, you can probably put like maybe 20 drops in it or so. But I love how it changes colors because I like bright colors. But just be careful not to use them too much. You don't want to build up mold. But there you have it. I just wanted to show it off for a minute because I think they're really cool. Yay. In my next video, I think I'm going to talk about time travel and teleportation, because that would be really awesome. Ooh. You guys have a lovely day. Okay. Bye, y'all.